So, andito tayo sa Tivoli Residences in Mandaluyong City to check this foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Total floor area 57.5 square meters. 2 bedrooms po siya. Pagpasok nyo, kitchen area. And then yung CR po natin. Ayan. And then ito yung isang kwarto. Isang kwarto, meron na siyang kasamang built-in cabinet. And then yung isang kwarto, meron din siyang mga built-in cabinets. Ayan. Okay. And then meron siyang access sa balcony. Ang view niya po is Pasig River and amenity area. So ayan po yung swimming pool. And then merong ding parks and playground dun sa may kabilang building, and yung basketball court. Ayun yung basketball court. Okay. So ito ang kagandahan ng unit na to. Facing amenities po siya and Pasig River. Okay. Tapos meron din siyang view ng Makati skyline. Ayan. Makati skyline. Okay. Medyo malaki po, spacious po yung balcony niya. Ito. Ayan. Meron ding parks and playground dun sa may baba. Ayun. Okay. Ayan. So swimming pool, adult pool, kiddie pool. Ayan. Okay, this is as is where is, and offers first come first serve basis. Okay, this is at 5.8 million. Mode of payment is cash or at least 10% spot down payment and 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer, this is first come first serve. Please message me directly. Ang kinaganda rin ng unit na to is yung location niya. Along Coronado Street po siya. And more or less 300 meters away from the Makati Mandaluyong Bridge. Okay, so malapit din po siya sa Rockwell and Poblacion area. And katabi lang din po ng unit na to itong atrium at itong pocket garden niya. So kung may bisita kayo, pwedeng dito nyo muna patuloyin. Okay? And halos tapat niya lang din po yung elevator. Ayan po yung elevators natin. We have 3 elevators. So again, this is a foreclosed condo unit here in Tivoli Residences. So if you are interested to make an offer, because this is first come first serve basis, and turnover is as is where is, please message me directly.